NLP BuzStop Boyz in collaboration with Gaio, Diaspora's Movement for Change and Development, Fortiness Foundation, and the management of the Kotokoraba market. And NLP, Sana Winnie Echiano, a bar for mega cleanup exercise. Nemum, in the course of the Jumediano, and then your work at CB, also near one como, and on our Dr. Mori, Dr. Stevie Mori, and the baby son. Near Edin buy dog. What on the pay the Maquaba?
On the peso, by your bond. The BuzStop Boyz, Maisie when nature, what starts to Cape Coast, what pay do, you know, Maisie when nature, or Jumapa warrior, or Cape Coast, a man. Clean up exercises are why or pay do area on in a videos are where we are and a pay mebaha mama Juma warrior ninti normal mebaha and the last me catch your day Mumu there warrior yeah one check gloves now was a year clean ups see maso machine yakofa mokotok mato gloves. The glass, your glass by 50 or Adimu. There, we will use now. What by clean up if you are able to use them gloves in a washer. Na yerba or got testima was the one supposed to summon and 2 man count. Now, of course, when you're there, cut there or you up a tricycle because Mars mean the warrior in there was a south in Wuran was a Kogu baby and stuffs like that. So I thought, you sent me already some appeal. Now we'll make some donation as well to support your need to get a tricycle. And we'll give an initial amount, but as Ghana NLP, even if Ghana NLP, as a cry, translation. And you develop AI applications, a translation on all Ghanaian languages as well as a lot of African languages. And Mubaha so on behalf of Ghana and also a volunteer organization. We understand volunteerism and the spirits behind it. So we're also here also to support another volunteer group seeking to make a change in the environmental and cleanliness of our society. Here volunteer group for a technological translation change where we translate English to Fanti, English to Ga, Ewe, Dagbani, Hausa, and all that. But this is another volunteer group for cleanliness, environmental cleanliness, and all that. So we are here to support another volunteer group and to tell them that we also have them. And if they need something and we have that, we are willing to support and we are willing to push them to ensure that our society is clean indeed, not just of course if we have the technology and it's not clean, it's not enough. So as an organization and a volunteer group based on cleanliness of the environment, we are also behind you to support you to make sure you achieve your aim and ambitions for Cape Coast in particular.
Doc, thank you very much for this wonderful presentation, and then thank you very much for this support. So I hope currently this one is for where there. And all right, in Tebusia, Boamena, Yanji, Saya, Chedi. So thank you very much, Doc. We are very, very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And Tebusia, Ogusu share na BuzStop Boyz in collaboration with our partners, and this is a presentation NLP Ghana. Aye Eddie Amayen. And so no, you be see ya my kasa ni yetintin. You be see ya, but yes, run say follow ya na. follow on TikTok na ho ye itinerary jumede bi ense gumo ense di mo ayedi no just follow us and you get all the update until the besia meda